Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. TGI Friday. Thank you all so much for being here. Of course, this morning we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Okay, guys, let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with U.S. stock futures in the red. Currently, the Dow futures are down 0.27%, S&P 500 down 0.35%, while the Nasdaq futures are down 0.47%. It does seem that China's Evergrande group did miss an interest payment deadline yesterday. They've now entered into a 30-day grace period before a default would be declared. The People's Bank of China has pumped about $71 billion of short-term cash into the banking system as they work to avoid any contagion from the Evergrande Group's problems. Cryptocurrencies are also falling this morning after China's central bank posted a statement saying that all crypto-related transactions were illegal. This is their strongest statement yet and shows their determination to crack down on the industry. Bitcoin is currently down about 5.8%, sitting in the low 42,000 price range. General Motors plans to invest about $300 million into Momenta, a leading autonomous driving technology company. The investment is aimed at accelerating the development of next-generation autonomous vehicles for GM in China. The investment is in response to Chinese customers embracing electrification and self-driving technologies. Momenta has emerged as a perfect partner for the U.S. automaker as it is working on AI solutions that have the potential to enhance personal mobility. Momenta has already made impressive strides towards fully autonomous driving, and the company has combined data-driven approaches with iterate algorithms. Analysts rate the GM stock a strong buy with an average upside of 41%. NIO has launched a 75 kilowatt-hour standard range version of their hybrid cell battery pack. This battery is a hybrid of the ternary lithium and lithium iron phosphate cells with the application of new generation cell-to-pack technology. Empowered by NIO's patented technologies, the battery comes with a more extended range in cold weather and accurate state of charge estimation, providing a battery performance at the same level as the ternary lithium battery. The NIO stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 87.5%. International Business Machines, or IBM, has signed a multi-year agreement with Telefonica to implement its cloud-native 5G core network platform, Unica Next. The platform is expected to offer low latency and high bandwidth by deploying a new open standard, open networking technology compliant platform that will be used across multiple central, regional, and distributed data centers to deliver services in an efficient manner. Unica Next data centers are planned to be deployed starting in October of 2021, and its scalable architecture is designed to address ETSI and other relevant industry standards. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 13%. Now let's take a look at notable earnings reports. Today is fairly quiet for new earnings reports coming out, but yesterday we did hear from Nike, who posted mixed results for their first quarter of 2022. Quarterly revenues jumped 16% year over year to $12.25 billion, just missing analyst estimates of $12.46 billion. Their earnings per share for the quarter stood at $1.16, which was up 22% from the previous year of 95 cents. It did top the street's estimates of $1.11 per share as well. The company's gross margin also expanded by 170 basis points to 46.5%. Analysts rate the Nike stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 16%. We also heard from Accenture, who posted strong fourth quarter results and also provided guidance for 2022 that was well above analyst expectations. In the fourth quarter, their earnings of $2.20 per share grew 11% year-over-year, coming in 1 cent ahead of analyst expectations. Additionally, their revenues jumped 24% year-over-year to $13.42 billion, meeting consensus estimates. For the full year, their revenues crossed the $50 billion mark for the first time. Accenture also announced a hike in their quarterly dividend by 10% and improved incremental share buybacks of $3 billion. The Accenture stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of about 3.5%. And we also heard from Darden Restaurants, the group behind some popular dining spots like the Olive Garden and Longhorn Steakhouse. They came out with very strong Q1 results. The company reported earnings of $1.76 per share, which was better than analyst estimates of $1.65. In the prior year, they reported earnings of just 28 cents per share. To add to that, their total sales jumped 51% compared to the year-ago period to $2.31 billion, surpassing the street's estimates of $2.24 billion. The board declared a quarterly cash dividend of $1.10 per share and increased their share buyback program by $750 million, bringing the total repurchase authorization to $1 billion. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of about 4%. So let's see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Meredith. Under the ticker MDP, their stock is currently up 20% on news that they might get purchased. They're followed by Covitrus under CVET, up 8.7%, and Schneider National under SNDR, up 8.3%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Joy. Under the ticker YY, their stock is down 9.5%, followed by the Rover Group under ROVR, whose stock is down 8%, and Riot Blockchain under the ticker RIOT, who's currently down 8%. So that's going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to check out our video for our 25,000 subscriber giveaway to see if your name was drawn to win some TipRanks swag or free subscriptions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back here next time.